Hello. Uh, okay. Again, we are here today. Uh, some days I could not be live because of some of my uh, personal action that works. Today again we are going to talk about some programs. Uh, Last time we had discussed about that 2D array, and this was a program as being shown on the screen. Today again let's discuss some more programs related to 2D array, and then we'll move to string. Let's write one program in which we find transpose of we guess that matrix. Okay. First header file. Let's declare an array. Size is 3, 2. Let's first input the elements. How many rows are there? 3 rows. So we have to run the loop, outer loop, and 3 times. That is I equals to 0 to I less than equals to 2 I plus plus. Next is how many columns are there? 2, means the internal loop has to move 2 times. Let's give a statement printf. Here will be j. Okay, let's keep the location here ij. Now let's go for the scanf. What is the name of array? Matrix I j. That's all. Yes, so we have finished the input. Now let's go for the output. First let's print this matrix we have entered. Let's copy this loop. We don't need this scanf. Let's remove this part from here. Okay, so this is the matrix before transpose. Yes, now let's copy same part here. The matrix after transpose, what do we have to do there? We have to change the row into column and column into row. So how many columns are there? 1. Let's put it here, 1. And how many rows were there? 2. So to put here. Yes, not only that much, we also need to change the this subscript value, I for j, j for I. So j comes here and I comes here. Yes, let's save it and let's run it. Asking for the value. Here is the output, the matrix before transpose, that is 3 into 2. Yes or no? As we have mentioned in the question, 3 into 2, 3 rows and the 2 columns. And after transpose, what happens? Row becomes column and the column becomes row. So just opposite we have got here. Yes or no? 1 3 5 in the row and the 2 4 6 in the next row. Yes or no? So this is how we can transpose the value. Okay, this shows about the find in the transpose. Now let's cover the next program. Let's go for the matrix addition. Okay, if you have any question, then you can use the chat box in the Facebook, or we can say the YouTube. Let's try it again. Next file. Header file. Main. We need 2 matrix and the order we don't know. We have to give the order, input the order. Let's declare that first matrix M1. Next matrix M2. Okay, next is here we need M, then N, then I, then J. Yes, loops, and the M and N, it stands for rows and columns. First we have to input the rows and columns. Let's go for input. Okay, we have now input the number of rows and columns, and after that what happens, whatever we enter here, and that is used by the our matrices m1 and m2 for their rows and columns. Okay, fine. Now what do we need there? We have to input the first matrix. Let's go for that. Let's use the loop, nested loop. So I equals to 0, I less than equals to, since m is for row, yes or no. So if the row is, suppose if we enter 3, yes, it means it is start from 0, then 1, then 2, yes or no. Yes, it means we have to start from 0 and indent 2. Next is here, so 2 means m minus 1, yes or no. If that is 3, then next is there, we can also use one smaller than symbol, I plus plus. Now let's go for the next loop. Let's go for input first here. Let's give a message here, printf. Now scanf. What is the name of loop? m1. Let's keep the location here, that is I. Then next is just j. Okay, we have finished input for the first matrix, yes or no. We have finished. Now let's go for the next, that is second matrix m2. Let's copy this entire part, enter elements for second matrix. So loop is same for the second matrix. Now what we need here, we have to change the matrix name, that is 2. So that's all. And after that we have to give the we have to display the sum of both these matrices, and for that nothing more we have to do there. Let's copy this entire matrix loop. We don't need the scanf, yes. Let's remove from here and here. Matrix 1. For next line, that's all, nothing more. Now return 0. Let's save it. Now going to run the program. If any bug comes, we'll see that. So 3. Again, let's give 2 here. Enter elements for first matrix M1. Enter element for the location 0 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it is asking us to input the elements of matrix M2. Let's go for input again. 6 5 4 3 2 1. Look here, we have got the sum of two matrices 7 7 7 7. So this is how we can get the output using the two matrices. Simply what we have to do there, we have to use the loop. Yes, so nothing more there. Okay, I hope you answer this one. Now let's go for the next program. If any confusion, use the chat box. If no confusion, find there. Now let's go for the next program here. Let's go for the program that is also related to matrix, and in this what we'll do there, we'll check whether the matrix is C-square or not, sorry, identity matrix or not. Let's go for the that testing here. Okay, and let's go for it. Let's close this file. Let's create a new file. Arrow file first. What we need here? First we need the size of matrix, and obviously it is going to be square, yes or no. So we need only one insert that variable for the rows and columns both, int and next is there Okay, we can give the one find there, so no problem for this one. Let's go for first size input. That is end. Okay, here rows and columns, they are going to be same, so we have not used differently, but we may use that if we wish for that. Now next is here, let's declare an array. Let's go for input here. For I equals to 0, I less than equals to n minus 1, I plus plus. Again here next loop, j equals to 0, j less than equals to n minus 1, then j plus plus. Now let's go for input here. Scanf a I then j. Now we have to use the condition. So what is the condition? To be identity matrix, the condition is there once on the main diagonal. Yes, means there must be one in the diagonal element as an the diagonal element. If it is not, then there is not. And next is there must be zeros everywhere. Yes, so let's go for it. Let's copy this loop because we need this. Okay, now what do we need here? We need a if here. Okay, the first condition is there. If, what is the first condition? A I and j must be same. Yes or no? I and j must be same. So first is I, j, and next condition is there. Not equal to 1. Or next can be here. This one. So if anyone is valid, then what we need here, we have to change the value of this flag. We can say is identity or not. Yes or no? Let's put break here. Now if is identity, printf the matrix is identity, else printf the matrix is not dt. Return 0. Let's save it. Let's run it, and if any bug comes here, then we'll resolve that. Okay, parenthesis missing here. Let's give here 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, the here is the output. The matrix is not identity. So that's all. Let's again run here. So again the matrix is not identity. Yes, so this is how we can know. And main thing is the logic there. In identity, what happens, we need 2 conditions here. The first condition is there in the main diagonal there must be 1, yes or no, and next is there in other places the elements it should be 0. So that is the rule of being identity matrix, and same rule we have applied here. Yes, so this condition and this condition must be valid there. Okay, I hope you answer about this one. So this is how it works there. Now let's cover the next one more program here. Next program is there. Let's cover the upper and the lower triangular matrix. Upper matrix is upper triangular or not. For that again we need a condition, that is first the matrix must be square matrix. Yes, and next is there all the elements below the main diagonal must be 0. Yes or no, means all the elements below the main diagonal, if they are 0 then that is upper triangular. So let's go for the program. Closing this file, creating new file. Header file first. Okay, main. What we need here, we have to input the n first. Let's declare n. For the loops we need this one. Let's go for first input. Printf enter the size of given matrix. Scanf and now let's declare an array, int array. Okay, instead of writing array, it would be better if we write matrix. Okay, size n, again size n. Yes, so here is our matrix, and after that what we need, we have to go for the input. So printf enter elements of matrix. Let's use the loop again. I equals to 0, I less than equals to, so if n is, again same concept, if n we give 3, yes, then what will the values of n? N equals to becomes 0, then 1, then 2. Yes or no? It means we have to put here n minus 1. I plus plus. Similarly for the inner loop, j equals to 0, j less than equals to n minus 1, j plus plus. Scanf. What is the name of matrix? Matrix here. Matrix. Let's keep the location first from I and second from j. That's all. We have finished the input. Now main logic we have to apply, and the logic is there to check the matrix, that is square matrix is upper triangular or not. What do we need there? We need two conditions. Now simply we can assume that all the elements below the main diagonal, they are 0, then that is upper triangular matrix. Yes or no? Let's cover the loop again. Let's copy this part. Now instead of writing scanf, what do we need here? We need if. Let's write the if here. Matrix I j not equal to 0. Let's put a flag here. Upper equals to 1. Yes, if condition values, then what happens? We have to change the value. Upper equals to 0, break. Yes, if it is not 0, then just put the upper 0 and the break it. We can also exchange the value 0 or 1, it doesn't matter there. So whichever we want, we can use easily. Now if upper, then printf the matrix is upper triangular, else the matrix is not upper triangular. That's all. Means we have to check the condition here. If it is not 0, yes, then we have to change the value. That is we have to use the 0 to upper flag, and after that we have to back it. That's all. And after that, if the value is same, yes, means from here 1, then it is upper triangular, else it is not upper triangular. Let's save it.